Hi, a hearty welcome to my dear Vignan Bharati children. And my name is Sriharika and I am going to teach mathematics for the standards of 4th and 5th. Children, let us recount numbers once. Which number is that? 45. Which is that? 428. Take one more number. 2419. For example, we take another number. Can you read that number easily like previous numbers, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit numbers? No, it is difficult to read and recognize them. The numbers which contain more digits. Is it or not? So the numbers which contain more digits, it is very difficult to recognize and read them. In such cases, we use two methods to read such numbers and we use two systems to recognize such numbers. What are those systems? One is Indian place value system and another one is international place value system. What is the use of these place value system? Just to recognize the numbers containing more digits. So now we are discussing about place value systems. First one, Indian place value system. This is the place value chart for Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, we have different periods and different places. These are the periods and these are the places. What is the first period? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. In ones period, three places are there. Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, two places are there. 1000, 10,000. In lakhs period, again two places are there. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crores period, three places are there. Crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. So, in Indian place value system, we have four periods and first period is divided into three places, second is divided into two places, third is divided into two places and the last one, crores period is divided into three places. How do we use that Indian place value system? Take one number as an example. Okay, now we assign places for the digits of this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. We should divide each and every period by using a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. Thousands, 10,000s comes under thousands period. So separate that with a comma. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs comes under lakhs period. And this is crores. Now, how to pronounce that? How to recognize and how to read that? 5 crore, 49. So, 49 lakh, 50,000, 163. Once more, 5 crore, 49 lakh, 50,000, 163. So, by using Indian place value system, we can recognize a number like this. For example, take one more number. Again, same process. We should assign places for the digits of given number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. Again, same process. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. So, separate that with a comma. 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. These three places comes under only crores period. Now, how to read that? 9 to 1. These three places comes under the same period. So, 921 crore, 63 lakh, 52,191. See once more. 921 crore, 63 lakh, 52,191. So, this is the way to recognize a number containing more digits by using Indian place value system. Now we learn about international place value system. Again, international place value system contains many periods and many places. What are those periods? Ones, thousands, millions, billions. Now, ones period is divided into three different places. What are they? Ones, tens, hundreds. Now, thousands period is divided into three different places. What are they? Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Again, millions is divided into three different places. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Again, same billions period is also divided into three different places. Billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. And these are the periods. And these are the places. Now we learn how to use this international place value system to recognize the numbers containing more digits. For that, take one example. What is the first process? First, we should assign places for the digits of given number. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. We should separate each and every period by using comma. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million comes under millions period. Now how to pronounce that? 940 comes under millions period. So 940 million, 145,162. 940 million, 145,162. So this is the way to recognize a number containing more digits by using international place value system. Now this is briefly about recognition of numbers containing more digits by using different place value systems, whatever it may be, Indian and international. This is briefly about place value systems.